सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। सुखं नित्यं स्वप्रकाशं व्यापकं नाम रूपयोः अधिष्ठानं बुद्ध्यबोध्यं बुद्धिर्दृग्यत्तु निर्मलम् अपारं सर्ववेदान्त वेद्यं प्रत्यक्परं महः तदेवाहं न मत्तोऽन्यदिति मे निश्चिता मतिः। So we are seeing the answer given by the teacher regarding the order of creation. Shishya's question is ब्रह्मज्ञानात् उत्पद्यमानः संसारः केन क्रमेण उत्पद्यते? The samsara which is born of ignorance of Brahman, otherwise called Maya, kena kramena, in which order or with which order it is born. It is sunishitam varnaniyam. This should be presented in a very well ascertained manner. For that, Purva Prashnasya Guroho Uttaram. So here this sentence should be read properly. Guroho Purva Prashnasya Uttaram. The answer to the earlier question, the previous question by the Guru. The Guru's answer to the question asked. And the first one, what is said is that Swapnavat Vinakramam Jagatah Pratitihi. This waking world is like the Swapna Prapancha. And generally we say that Jagrat Prapancha is Vyavaharika, Swapna Prapancha is Pratibhasika. But this we are saying from the standpoint of the waker. From the standpoint of Atma, both of them are just avastha. From the standpoint of Sakshi Atma, it is like one is going to one room, one is going to one room and then is going to next room. So for us, from the Sakshi standpoint, both of them have got same degree of reality. So Paramarthika Drishtya or Sakshi Drishtya, there is no difference between the Swapta Prapancha and Jagrat Prapancha. Whatever difference you raise, all of them can be answered by seeing that whatever question you raise that, oh, Jagrat Prapancha is useful, Swapta Prapancha is useless. For that answer we give that Swapta Prapancha also is useful in Swapna. And so utility, if it is the basis, then Jagrat Prapancha, the Swapna Prapancha also will be useful. And not only that, Jagrat Prapancha is useless in this Swapna Avastha. And therefore, the Jagrata Prapancha is mithya from the Swapna standpoint. And therefore, what all arguments are given, they are dismissed in Vaitatya Prakaranam. And thus, Jagrat and Swapna both are similar. More we see the similarity of Jagrat and Swapna, and thereby we understand this mithyatvam of the Jagrat Prapancha, more we have this Sakshi Bhava to the Prapancha. This Prapancha is mithya, I am Sakshi of this mithya Prapancha, lending existence to mithya Prapancha. And more we invoke this mithyatva of the Jagrat and the Sakshitvam of Atma, that Ahankara is diluted. Ragadveshas are diluted. Worries related to the world also are diluted. So that is the practical lesson of this Mithyatva. Mithyatva is a technical lesson, but the Vairagyam is a practical lesson. And in this paragraph, Acharya quoted the Panchadashi to show that Jagrat Prapancha and Swapna Prapancha are equal. And more you see the equality or similarity between the two, the more you will be free from Ragadveshas. Then Viveka Chudamani Shloka also was quoted to show that Jagrat and Swapna Prapancha, both of them are projection of the mind. In the Mandukya Karika, it is says Chitta Spandita Mevedam. This word is Chitta Spanditam. The consciousness is appearing in this form of the world because of the movement of the mind which is superimposed upon consciousness. And they give the example of Alata Chakra. So Alata Chakra, the tip of this firebrand does not have any figure. But when it is moved, then there is appearance of figures. So this tip of the firebrand, this glowing tip of the firebrand appears in the form of different figures, even though it is free from all figures. Similarly, one consciousness which is like the glowing tip of the firebrand appears in the form of the entire world because of the movement of the mind which is superimposed upon consciousness. There we say that difference in the Drishtanta and the Ashtanta is, in the Drishtanta of Alata Chakra, the movement is real. The degree of reality of the movement and the tip of the firebrand is the same. Because Vyavharika Gati is there and Vyavharika, this Alata Chakra is there. Alata is there. But in Dashtanta, the consciousness does not move and appear. Consciousness itself does not move. The movement of the mind is superimposed upon consciousness, and that apparently moving consciousness appears in the form of this entire world. That is our Siddhanta. And thus, Jagrat and Swapna both are considered to be Chitta Spandanam. And idea conveyed is Chitta Spandanam. The movement of the mind is not there, the world is not available for you to experience. In Mandukya there is a Karika, Yatha Swapne Dvaya Bhasam Spandate Mayaya Manaha Tatha Jagrat Dvaya Bhasam Spandate Mayaya Manaha. Means the Swapne, the Dvaya Bhasam, the appearance of duality, Manaha Spandate, mind spins, the mind projects Mayaya because of Maya. So the mind spins or mind projects this Dvayabhasam, the duality in the dream state because of Maya. Similarly, Jagrat Dvayabhasam Manaha Mayaya Spandate. Alright. Now, in this paragraph, the Jagrat and Swapna both are similar. That was highlighted to point out. Just as in the Swapna there is no Krama Srushti. In the dream you see everything is projected simultaneously. It is not that father comes first, then son comes, like that it is not there. Father and son, both of them you see simultaneously. Similarly, Jagrat also being like Swapna, in Jagrat also there is no Krama Srushti. That was the message given. Now, question is raised. Nanu yadi jagadutpattihi akramena. After that, comma should be there. If there is jagadutpattihi, the creation of this world, akramena, without any order, tarhi, then, kimiti, why? Taitariyadishu kramaha uktaha iti chet. If krama is not intended or krama is not there in the creation of this world according to the paragraph above, then why krama means the order of creation is talked about in Taittiriya, tasmad vaye tasmad atmana akasha sambhutaha. Order is talked about. From Brahman, this Akasha is born, from Akasha Vayu is born, like that it is presented. There is not that from Akasha the Agni is born, it is not there. Order is there. So if Krama is not there, why is it presented? So Taittiriadishu Kramaha Adipadena Chandogya. Krama Uktaha iti chet. If this is the doubt, Atra Uchyate. With regard to this particular doubt, the answer is given in the next sentence. यदि श्रुतेः जगदुत्पत्ति विषये क्रम विषय विवक्षा स्यात् तर्हि श्रुतेषु सृष्टिकथने वैषम्यं न स्यात्. So here Arthapatti Pramana is used to give the answer. What is that the Arthapatti here? Yadi, if Shrutehe Krama Vivaksha Syat. If Shruti had intention of conveying the order Jagadutpatti Vishaye with regard to the creation of this world, Syat, if it was there, Tarhi, then Shrutishu Srushti Kathane Vaishamyamya na Syat. Then there will not be inconsistency. Vaishamyam is inconsistency, discrepancy. In what? Srushti Kathane. With regard to the statement of creation, there will not be discrepancy, inconsistency. Shrutishu. In the Shruti Vakya, there should not be discrepancy. Everywhere it is the same thing. Like some child is born. If child is really born, then we say that he was born on that particular day in that hospital. Sometimes you say that hospital, sometimes this hospital, means Tatparyam is not there. So he says, Srishti Kathane Vaishamyamya na syat. The discrepancy in the statement regarding creation will not be there. Drishyate tu Vaishamyam. However, Vaishamyam, discrepancy, inconsistency is seen. How? Tathahi, means explanation is given. How Vaishamyam is seen in the statement of creation. With regard to the presentation of creation, how Vaishamyam, discrepancy is shown in this, is seen in the Shastra. That is explained. Tathahi, explanation follows. Chandogye Brahmanaha Sakashat Agni Jala Prithivīnām Kramena Utpattihi Shruyate. In Chandogya, the creation of Agni, fire, Jala, water, and Prithvi, the earth. Brahmanaha Sakasat, from Brahman it is heard. Shruyate. Kramena Utpattihi, the creation with order of the fire, water and the earth from Brahman is Shruyate, is heard. Means we find that the creation of the Agni, Jala and Prithvi from Brahman in this particular order. What is that Vakya? Tadaikshata. Tad refers to Sad Brahma. Sad Brahma Aikshata. Saw. Bahusyam Prajayeya iti. May I become many? May I be born as many? And then Tat Tejaha Asrujata. Tat means that Brahman created the Tejaha, Agni Tattva. Ityadina. By this Vakya, Tat Teja Srujata, and then the Tejaha is Apa Srujata, then Apahab, this Prithvim, Annam Asrujanta, that description comes there. So this quotation is given here to show that in Chandogya, the creation starts with the Agni Tattva, not Akasha Tattva. So Agni is the first Bhuta which is born in, mentioned in Chandogya. Taittiriyetu, whereas in Taittiriya, Akasha, Vayu, Agni, Jala Prithvinam, Panchabhutanam, Kramena Utpattihi Shruyate. Whereas in Taittiriya, the Utpatti of the 5 elements in a particular order. And what are 5 elements? Akasha, Vayu, Agni, Jala, Prithvi. Of these 5 elements, the creation with a particular order is heard. And how it is there? How the presentation is there? Tasmadvai etasmad atmana akasha sambhutah. From that Brahman, which is this Atma, Akasha is born. Vai means indeed, ityadina. So here he showed that Vaishamyam will not be there. If really creation was creation was in a particular order, then Vaishamyam will not be there. If Srushti had, if Shastra had the Tatparyam in showing the order, then discrepancy will not be there. But Drishyate to Vaishamyam. Vaishamyam means what? Discrepancy. And discrepancy, what type of discrepancy? Sometimes Kramena Srishti, sometimes Akramena Srishti, sometimes Vyutkramena Srishti. And even in Krama there is a variation. Even when order is given, in some Taittiriya it is Akasha, Vayu, Agni, Teja, Apaha, Prithvi. Whereas in the Chandogya it is Agni, Teja and Agni, Apaha and Prithvi. And therefore Vaishamyam is there. And moreover, so this is the example of the order. Some place Kramena Srishti is there, and in Krama also variation is there. Kvachicha and somewhere. Kvachicha means Kvachit Shruti Vakyeshu. Parameshwaraha Sarvam Asrujaditi Kramamantarena Utpattihi Shruyate. After the full stop should not be there. Idam Sarvam Asrujataha Srujata Ityadina. So it is a continuation of the sentence. In some place, Sarvam Parameshwara Sarvam Asrujata. Paramatma created everything. In this manner, Kramamantarena eva, Kramamantara eva. Without any order, Utpattihi Shruyate. The creation is heard, mentioned. And what is the sentence? Idam Sarvam Asrujata Ityadina. In Taittiriya, Idam Sarvam Asrujata Yadidam Kincha. So he created this everything. And when it is said everything, it means there is no order. Akasha Vayu, it is not there. Sarvam Asrujata. It is without any order, Paramatma created. Itham, in this manner, Vedeshu Jagadutpattehe Nana Prakarena Varnanasya Ayamashayah. So here Vicharsagarakara, Granthakara, he is saying, why such inconsistency is there? So he says, Itham, in this manner, Vedeshu Jagadutpattehe Nana Prakarena Varnanasya. Of the description, Varnanasya, of the description, Ayamashayaha. This is the intention of the description of Jagadutpatti, of the creation of the world, Nana Prakarena, in various ways. Vedeshu, the Varnana, Vedeshu Varnanasya. The description in Veda regarding the creation with different order. What is the intention? Why Shruti is presenting this creation in a different manner? If somebody is a Satya Vakta, then he should tell consistently that I came 5 o'clock, then I did this and I did this and I did this. But sometimes he said I came 6 o'clock, then I did this, something else he tells. First he said I came and went to the temple. Now he says we came and went to the dining hall. So why inconsistency? You should tell. To me, he said that I came and first thing I did, they will say, first thing Swamiji, I went to the temple. To other person, he will say, first thing I went to the dining hall. Inconsistency. So why that inconsistency? Shruti is supposed to be Parama Apta. Parama Apta means the most reliable person, the most reliable entity. Then why Shruti is having inconsistency? So he said, Varnanasya ayam ashaya. What is the ashaya? In inconsistency also there is a message. What is that? Jagat mithya eva. First of all, this world is mithya in the vision of Shruti. And when something is mithya, then there should not be, you should not bother about so much details. Tatparya, because Tatparyam is not in conveying the creation of this world. It is unreal. Unreal world will have unreal creation. And there was a song, Jindagi Khwab hai, Khwab mein jhoot hai kya, sach hai kya? Why so much particular about this? So he says, Jagat Mithya eva. And how do we say Jagat Mithya eva? That is what Shruti wants to convey. He says, Vastu Bhutam Chet Jagat Syat तदुत्पत्तिक्रमः वेदेषु अनेकप्रकारेण न उच्येत. अर्थापत्ति प्रमाणम. He says, Jagat Vastubhutam Syat Chet. If the world is real, Vastubhutam is real. If the world was real, then Tadutpatti Kramaha, the order of its creation, Tad refers to Jagat. The order of the creation of this world, of that world, Vedeshu, in Vedas, Aneka Prakarena, in manifold manners, manifoldly, na uchcheta, would not have been told in a manifold manner. If somebody has really come, then his arrival details will be given in order. His arrival detail will be given with the exact time, etc. Where he came from, what time he came, it will be fixed only. You cannot say, no, he came 7:30, no, he came 8 o'clock, 8:30, then the Tatparyam will not be there. So if really this world was conveyed, if the world was conveyed as reality, then this creation of this world would not be talked about in a different manner. Vastuni Vikalpa Sambhavat. Why Shruti cannot talk about the creation in a different manner? Because Vastuni, here Vastuni refers to means with regard to a fact. Vikalpa Sambhavat. There are no options available. In fact, there is no option. In doing, there is an option. Karmani kartum akartum manyathava kartum shakyate. Kintu Vastuni Vikalpa Sambhavaha. You cannot say fire is hot also, cold also. Fire is hot, cold. Person came or did not come. So Vastuni, with regard to fact, there is no possibility of option, and therefore Shruti cannot present the order of creation in different manner. If Prapancha was really created, then it must have specific details. Like a baby was born in a particular hospital, so he will be born in particular hospital. You cannot he born is here also, America also, India also, and Japan also. You cannot say. It was born on a particular time, it was born. So if the world was real, then Shruti cannot afford to have inconsistency in the presentation of the order of creation. But we are seeing this Vaishamyam, the variety of presentation is there. So we have to supply here Uchyatetu. So Vastu Bhutam Chet Jagat Syad. Utpatti Kramaha Aneka Prakarena na Uchyeta. Uchyatetu. But Utpatti Kramaha Aneka Prakarena Uchyate. The creation of this world is presented in different manners. It is a fact. In the Shruti, it is presented in different manner. It is a fact. Atahacha. And therefore, Upanishadam Jagadutpatti Krame na Tatparyam. Therefore, Upanishadam of Vedanta Vakyas, Jagadutpatti Krame, in the order of creation of this world, na Tatparyam. There is no commitment. Upanishads do not have Tatparyam in conveying the order of creation. Why? If it was commitment is there, then discrepancy will not be there. Like, I want to explain this simple arithmetics to a child. So I will say, you have 3 mangoes, and if I give you 5 mangoes, how many mangoes will be there? 8 mangoes. My commitment is to tell you the sum, the addition of 3 to 5. 5 is added to 3, how much it will be. That is my Tatparyam. So next time when I am teaching, I will say apple. Next time I will be orange. I may not even remember what I had told, but 3 plus 5 I will not change. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, that I will not change. But 3 for explaining 3 plus 5, whatever I say can change. It means my tatparyam is not in telling that I will give you 5 mangoes. Otherwise, you will say, Swamiji, to him you are telling mangoes and to me you are telling orange. Why apple? Why? The tatparyam is not there. But 3 plus 5, in that I will not make a change. Oh, to this person I say 8, 3 other person says 7, other person 9. That is not there. So Shruti, if Shruti had tatparyam in conveying the order of creation, then Shruti will not be inconsistent. That is the rule. So wherever there is a tatparyam, there will be consistency. Gati samanyam. In Brahma Sutra it comes, Gati samanyam means there will be commonality of the understanding generated by the Shruti Vakya. And opposite to Gati Samanyam is this inconsistency, Vaishamya, Viganam. So inconsistency of Shruti in giving the details of the order of creation is an indicator of this not having Tatparyam in this Utpatti Krama. And Shruti does not have Tatparyam in Utpatti Krama means Utpatti Krama is really not there. And that is suggested here. So here, as I said, Arthapatti Pramanam is suggested. How Arthapatti Pramanam? If we put it in a format, it will be Jagataha Vastu Bhutatve Anupapadyamanaha Vedeshu Aneka Prakarena Uchyamanaha Utpatti Kramaha Anyatha Anupapatya Jagataha Avastu Bhutatvam Sadhayati. That is the Arthapatti Pramanam. That's a particular format of saying. Means what? That if Shruti had if the Prapancha was real, then the Shruti presenting the creation in manifold manner will not be tenable. But Shruti is presenting this creation in manifold manner, and therefore the Prapancha is not Satyam. Prapancha is Mithya. Alright. Atahacha Upanishadam Jagadutpatti Kramena Tatparyam. Then why Shruti is presenting this Jagadutpatti itself? If Shruti did not have Tatparyam in saying, why Shruti should talk about it? For that answer is given, Brahmanaha Advitiyatva Varnane Parama Tatparyat Tadangatvena Jagat Nishedasya Vivakshitattvat Nishedyatvena Akshiptasya Jagataha Yatha Kathanchid Aropaha Kartabhyaha Iti Eva Tatparyam. So what is this Shruti's Tatparyam? Shruti's vision, Shruti's intention. Shruti wants to reveal Brahma as the Adhishthanam of everything. Brahman alone is, that is to be revealed. And for that, Shruti is using Adhyaropa Apavada Prakriya. Adhyaropa Apavadabhyam Nishprapancham Prapanchyate Shishyanam Sukhabodhaya Tattvagnehi Kalpitaha Kramaha. So Shruti follows that method. Then finally, Advitiya Brahma, which is the Avadhi, which is the limit of the negation of the entire Dvaita Prapancha, that alone is to be revealed. And this Advitiya Brahma cannot be revealed by any other method. And therefore, Shruti is presenting this Dvaitam as something to be negated. Brahman is to be presented as the Nisheda Avadhi, as non-dual Brahman, which is the limit of all negation. And Brahman is to be presented as the Sakshi of all the Drishyam, which is not a Drishyam. And therefore, Shruti is presenting first the Drishya Dvaitam. And after presenting the Drishya Dvaitam, then its Mithyatvam will be shown. And by that, the Advitiya Brahman will be revealed. And that is the Tatparyam. Brahmanaha Advitiyatva Varnane Parama Tatparyat. Since Shruti has got the final commitment to reveal, Varnanam is reveal, for revealing Advitiyatva, non-duality of Brahman. Since Shruti has got the final commitment to revealing this non-duality of Brahman, tadangatvena, as a part of that process, tad refers to advitiyatva varnanam. So, as a part, as a step, upaya, as the means to that advitiyatva varnanam, the description or the presentation of non-duality of Brahman, jagat nishedasya vivakshitatvat. The negation of the world is intended to be conveyed. Shruti doesn't have even tatparyam in negating the world. Shruti has tatparyam in revealing non-dual Brahman. For revealing the non-duality of Brahman, the world is to be negated. And for negating the world, you have to present the world. So, jagat nishedasya vivakshitatvat nishedyatvena akshiptasya jagataha. So, the world which is akshipta means arthaduktaha. The world which is presented as something to be negated. Because you can negate only that thing which is available for experience. You cannot negate something which is not there. And therefore, as something to be negated, Jagat is to be presented. So for Advitiya Varnanam, Jagat Nisheda is required. For Jagat Nisheda, Jagat is required. And for Jagat to be presented, Yatha Kathanchit Tadaropa Kartabhya. So somehow you have to bring in the word into picture. Therefore, Yatha Kathanchit means in somehow. Somehow means Kramena, Akramena, Vyutkramena. Somehow, Aropaha, the superimposition of the creation of this world on Brahman, Kartabhyaha, should be done. Iti eva tatparyam. This alone is the intention of Shruti. So what is the message conveyed here? That finally Shruti wants to present the Advitiya Brahma. And for Advitiyatvam of Brahman to be presented, the Dvaita is to be negated. And to negate something, you have to present it. To dismiss something, you have to bring it. So, for Advitiyatvam, Jagat Nisheda is required. For Jagat Nisheda, Jagat is required to be presented. And for bringing in Jagat, we have to talk about the creation of this world. And therefore, this somehow the world is presented to be created and some details are given. Yatha Katanchid Aropah Kartabhyaha. And Shruti does not have Tatparyam in the details of the order of creation. Tatra Ayam Drishtantaha. With regard to this fact, this is the example. What is the example? Leelartham Kashana Krutrimam Gajam Nirmaya Yantrena Tam Akashe Uthapayati. Leelartham, for fun, for sport. Kashana, someone. Krutrimam Gajam Nirmaya, having created the artificial elephant, not real elephant. This what is called some wooden elephant. Kritrimam is artificial. Yantrena, by some machine, say motor, etc. Tam akashe uthapayati. What an example. So this person has made an elephant, wooden elephant, and he wants to show his engineering skill. So inside the elephant he has put some machine. So yantrena, by with a machine, akashe uthapayati. He is raising this elephant in the sky. And he will have a remote control. So inside the elephant, he has put some machine. And he has got remote control. And now what will happen? Akasha Gamana Samaye. When the elephant is raised in the sky, at the time of the flight of the elephant in the sky, Tasya Gajasya, of that elephant, Karna Valadi Avayaveshu Vakrata Sampattau. So when elephant is going up, that time the ears, Karna means ears, Vala means the tail, Vala no, it means tail. All these avayava will not be in a very systematic manner they will be there. Ears will be a little bit moving here and there. They will not remain in a straight line because it's the machine, is an artificial elephant is created. And therefore Karna, Vala, etc. Vakrata Sampatto. When there is attainment of some distortion in the ears or the tail of the elephant tail will be going up. Generally it doesn't go up, but while doing it, it will raise, or ears will become a little bit distorted. Then tam tat samikaranaya, for repairing it, that particular distortion, sa purusha na prayartate, that person does not strive to set it right. He will not try. Why? Because his purpose is not to show the beauty of elephant. Purpose is to show his engineering skill, that how with his machine he can raise the elephant. So he is not so particular that elephant should look very what is called natural and very decent and all this. There is no tatparyam. Tatparyam is to show that how this elephant can be raised in the sky. Sa purusha na prayatate. Evameva, similarly, Brahmanaha Advityatva Gnana Siddhaye, for the establishment of or the accomplishment of the knowledge of the non-duality of Brahma, Dvaita Rupaha Drishya Prapanchaha. This Drishya Prapancha means the experienceable world which is in the form of duality, Nishedhartham Kalpitaha. It is projected, it is a Kalpitaha, it is imagined, it is presented only for negation. Nishedhartha Kalpita. It does not, Shruti does not have Tatparyam in giving the details of creation. Shruti has got Tatparyam in negating this creation. So that you understand that the entire Drishya Prapancha is Mithya, and Drishya is Mithya, then what is Satyam? The Drashta is Satyam, and the Drashta Brahman you are. So Shruti has Tatparyam in conveying this message that you Drashta, or to be precise, the very truth of the Drashta, Sakshi, that Sakshi Atma you are. In that particular vision, Shruti has got Tatparyam. Tathacha Bhashye Prakrutetavattvadhikarane Prakrutetavattvadhikarane Varnitam. Here 3 to 6 is given, but actually 3 to 22 it is there. Third chapter, second pada, 22nd. I don't know how 6 it has come. 6 adhikarana might be there, but sutra is 22. So, in this adhikarana, in Brahma Sutra it comes, there discussion, Varnitam. The discussion is there on Brihadaranyaka Shruti. What is the Brihadaranyaka Shruti? Athata adesho neti neti nahi etasmaditi na iti anyat paramasti. So that neti neti teaching is given. And that particular Vakya of the Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, neti neti, is analyzed in Brahma Sutra. And the topic of analysis there is that what is dismissed here? Is Brahman dismissed and the world should remain as the remainder? Or the Prapancha is dismissed and Brahman is presented as remainder? Or both are to be dismissed? That is the point of inquiry. And the Vedavyasacharya, Bhagavan Vedavyasacharya says that the Murta Prapancha and Amurta Prapancha are negated by the word Neti Neti, and only Brahman remains as the remainder. And that Brahman is not Shunya, because further it is said, the Anyat Param Asti. And thus, the Murta Amurta Prapancha Nisheda Purvaka Brahmanaha Pratyagatpatvena Pratipadanam. That is the Tatparya of the Shruti. That is ascertained in Brahma Sutra. In this Adhikarana called Prakrutaitavatva Adhikarana. And there Bhashyakara says, Loka Prasiddham tu idam Rupa Dvayam. These twofold aspects which is well known. What are they? Murta, Amurta. Sula, Sukshma also we can say, and Murta, Amurta, with form and without form. Brahmani Kalpitam Parabrushati. So, Brahmani Kalpitam, the twofold form which is superimposed upon Brahma, that Shruti Paramrushati means refers to. So, Shruti refers to this twofold prapancha, na iti, that iti shabda is referring to this loka prasiddham rupadvayam. Pratishedyatvaya. Why is these twofold aspects, murta and amurta, are presented? Pratishedyatvaya. For showing the negatibility of this twofold prapancha, murta and amurta. And Shuddha Brahma Swarupa Pratipadanaya cha iti. And for presenting the nature of pure Brahman. Pure Brahman means Nirupadika Brahma. Iti, in this manner, Niravadyam. There is no defect in this presentation. Iti. So here Granthakara is quoting the sutra to show that this idea is given in Brahma Sutra, that prapancha is presented for only Nisheda. Because this Vakya comes, this is a Bhashya Vakya. That Vakya comes because Purvapakshi raises the doubt that if Shruti had to negate everything, why Shruti is presenting? Prakshalanadi pankasya duradasparshanam maram. So why to get into mud and then wash yourself? So if Shruti had to negate this Murta and Amurta, very elaborately Shruti is presenting Murta Amurta Brahmana itself. For that, Bhashyakara gives the answer that this Murta Amurta Prapancha is not presented to establish the Murta Amurta Prapancha, but it is presented for negation. So that the Murta Amurta Prapancha which is experienced by you is not real. The truth of that prapancha is Brahman, and that is you. To present this idea, this Murta Murta prapancha is presented, and then negation is done. Tasmat Shrutinam prapancha vishay anadarādeva tadutpatti kramasya ekavidatve na varnane na yattaha. Therefore, since Shrutinam, therefore means he himself explains, Shrutinam prapancha vishay anadarādeva. Since Shruti does not have any sense of significance with regard to the prapancha. Prapancha vishay means with regard to the subject matter of this world. Shruti does not have any sense of significance. Therefore alone, tadutpatti kramasya, of the order of the creation of that world, ekavidatvena varnane, in describing in the same manner, ekavidatva means same manner, na yatnaha, shrutinam yatnaha na, there is no effort on the part of Shruti. Since Shruti does not have commitment to present the prapancha, Shruti looks upon prapancha as Mithya alone. Therefore Shruti is not having any making special effort to be consistent in the presentation of creation in the same manner. See, like when you are giving example, your Tatparyam is not in example. Therefore, you can give different example. Your Tatparyam is in showing the Dashtanta. In Dashtanta you should be consistent. In Drashtanta you need not be consistent. So this Prapancha is a Drashtanta Sthaniya. It is like when we are making the RCC floor, we will have some formwork. So it is just a formwork. We don't have the Tatparyam. We don't give so much attention for the beauty, uniformity of this formwork. Some the wooden plank will be straight, round, some will be square, it doesn't matter. It should be strong enough to hold the it. Shruti doesn't have Tatparyam. So similarly here, Shruti does not have any Tatparyam in creation, therefore Shruti has not made any attempt for consistency. Tadutpatti vishaye Shrutinam vigana darshanadeva prapancha nishedeva Shrutinam nirbharyam na tadutpatto vitigneyam. So because of vigana darshanat, because of the observation of inconsistency of Shruti with regard to the creation of the world, prapancha nishedeva, in the negation of the world alone, Shrutinam nirbharyam. Nirbharyam means Tatparyam. Shruti has got the commitment. Na tadutpatto tatparyam. Shruti does not have commitment to the presentation of the creation of this world. Iti gneyam. In this manner, it should be understood. So here answer given is, really krama is not there. Even if it is talked about, there is no tatparyam in it. But some purpose is there. That purpose will be explained in the next paragraph. We'll see in the next class. ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः।